We are back, we are back, we are back, we are back. We are back, we are back, we are back.
Why would you say 6 o'clock? I think the normal time was 7 o'clock, right?
Then it will be 8 o'clock.
It's
That's
not
like
too long.
Sunday.
Yeah. It would
Then
be too early here
6:30.
with us. Okay, fine.
6:30 then.
But before then, I will be ready though.
Okay, if you're ready then, you're power.
But then, still considering the rest of the people.
No, the time is okay for them. Now me know my people. Hello, my people. Okay, oh yeah, we don't finish that one just now. Next question. We don't answer other men will finish. And she get it good too. Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back, everybody too. So next. Talk to me next. Next. Hello, my darling. Next. So, I can't play music. Go quick me finish one issue. I'm supposed to finish one hair. One head. Supposedly. So first guy not be thief and sign. First guy not be thief. Faster gloriously on a fast guide nationalist. I'm doing great, my sweetheart. How far, my twins? Hello, my excellent child. How you doing, gifts? I'm fine, my lady. Hello, my official queen. What do you do, self? At the first week go, mama. I just there the first week. This time my hair corner for you. So for the first my week. Yeah, that we are back. That one don't clear. Maybe your own answer don't clear. It don't clear no more. It don't clear be that. Yeah? Okay. Next question is it good to feel too comfortable in singlehood after having kids and the relationship ends? Thank you, love. Happy Sunday, everybody. Definitely, it's not good to feel anything too. It's always not good. Anything too. It's not good. So don't feel too comfortable. Always busy with positive. Yes, now, sweetheart. We are always busy with positive vibe. Yeah. We don't have time for yana soap. We don't have time for people that lost their memory, their head, their own. What do they call it? Blungata. For inside, we don't have that time. Because we know they lose our head for inside anything we do. Making my daughter hair on Friday is her birthday. Okay, mama. Wish her well for me. 9 years. Okay, darling, please remind me. Please remind me, yeah. We have a birthday coming. Is it on the 6th or on the 4th today? My lady, remind me, oh, la, me, I for prepare you, yeah, but no, there's too much thing for this, my head. We have birthday coming, so remind me, my darling. You say on Friday is our own, eh? Okay. It's not good to be hello, mama, down one. Oh, see me with it. So I know say what you ask me, I never give you. Be wow me. I don't see my tape. And the tape that this table since how many days? Oh? Now where I come they look for her now. Marry me no walume. Eh? Marry me no walume. Thank you, love. Hello, my Netherlands sister. A Netherlands, at that side, a Netherlands. Yo. Greet there for me, oh. Hello, mommy, for sharing. Good afternoon. Okay. So it's not too nice to feel comfortable being single. It's not too nice. Otherwise, you can't share your house, your life, your secret, your comfort with somebody again. It will be difficult. I don't feel talk on that day and say some single mothers go say put the shoe, put foot down for there, come on the sand, come hang on for you. No. Not put that thing for my shirt, not put that for my shirt. I don't feel talk on that day now. It is when you are too comfortable with single, you start like, yeah, you won't even know that you are supposed to be dating this person. Your tap there with my tape there with you. Bring her come for me now. We are fine by God's grace. All nice. Now bring my tape. Oh, I need to measure my body. My own measurement cannot work for me. Oh, everywhere is just okpokwa. Eh? Good evening, my lady and everyone. Cooking, can't type but washing. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lady Mary. October. Thank you. Me, I won't cook today. Oh. It's hair and video I'm going to do throughout. I'm not cooking nothing today. Hi, Mrs. Dog.
Hi.
Madam Dog. Madam, I want dog. You guys know that dog is coming to join our family. Hey, Director, we are tell me. Director, I get good news for you. Good news. Singing the money, Director, the good news I get for you, you won't believe it. It's too good to be true. Yeah, but it's true. Because every time if a joke very is that they could come in live today? Yes, but it's going to be on YouTube because we are having some Facebook technical problem. And we believe because it's weekend, that's why Facebook has not answered our 1001 email. When they resume on Monday, they will see one person writing them 1001. They go, no, eh?
Mama, do you know how to on the off?
It's very easy.
Yeah, can you teach me because I don't know how to do it?
Okay, you turn it to fan, then you turn it to 200. Daddy Queen is coming. No, please help me to do announcement on Facebook. Even ordinary post, I cannot even post. Can you imagine that? Can't post. I can't share picture. Nothing. Monica, don't bring problem in my house. They have been crying for dog. Ew. Please, you guys should not copy now. For me, don't say with these 3 children. They ask, can we have dog? Can we have dog? You know why? Why I also want to do one for Monica.
Mama,
if I promise
already
person
things in the
something.
oven. Can you help me get them out?
What?
There are already things in the oven and I can't get them out. Can you help me?
Is it meat?
Yes.
Why couldn't you get him out? Carry your ice cream and put it somewhere. Use your hand. Is it not meat?
I already put my ice cream down and then I put it out. I can't get it out.
Just draw it now.
I know, but the chase is stuck on it. I can't get it out.
Okay. Just bring the old this thing out. Then use the other small one to do your meat pie. Bring the one that you can't get out like this. Just bring everything out. Okay. May I tell you the reason behind Monica getting a dog? I don't like dog, but my husband and children love them. Me too. I don't like animal in abroad. I grew up with dogs in Africa. We used to have a lot of dogs, goats, animal in our house. No problem. They do me anything. But the expensive way Europe put for their, that's why I don't want. I don't feel take care of dog like Peking. Also no. But the reason behind why I agreed say me she get some. Mama na yeti be gba owe mugiya we. But the way she prepare, I think she can do it because small Monica is somebody that don't like to fail in something she take by herself say I want to do. She will do it very, very well. Okay. When she was small, 2013, Monica was just 3 years old, right? 2009. I be 5 years. 2009 now upon 10, 11, 12, 13. She was 4 years old. Monica was 4 years old when she went to Fair Place House, then which is Foster House. And that place, she only stayed for 2 weeks. And they have pussycats. And she really fall in love with that pussycat as of that age. When we go visit her,
Mama, is light
when we want
supposed
go,
to be there?
she go they cry.
Is there supposed to be light?
Yes.
There's no light.
So you didn't on it. Well, go and call your father.
Maybe I need to phone. I don't
And
know.
daughter asked for dog too. We end up buying rabbit. Okay. Rabbit is also good, but I don't have space for rabbit in this house. I don't have space for rabbit. But I can have space for dog.
Never
And
mind.
the
it's
dog
working.
will be
I have
happy
to put
because
on the
it
cooker
go
thing.
climb step tire.
I needed to put it on the cooker thing. So I don't know.
Okay. So my ask for dog too. Okay. Having a pet at home like dog help kids busy. Okay. So my only daughter like dog so much, said I should buy dog for her. Dog is expensive, but we are just going to do it for Monica. So when we go visit Monica for where they put her, when we want go, she go they cry for us. She go cry. Okay, it was always problem to go to Monica when living na chaos. Everybody go they cry. Monica will cry. So the only thing where they feel can't take cool and down, more take wrong. Now that cat. The woman can go bring cat come for and say, hey, see cat they if you they cry, cat not like cat go come they follow it, but if you they cry as small pikin, then she now go come carry cat in, they'll come embrace. She not come to cry again. You know, we'll say we want to go bring food come for cat will run. For me, go they pain me. Go they pain me, they go for my heart. Hey, I say God. So when we come finally go carry her come back to us, she can't dey miss that cat. Oh, anywhere where we foresee cat for outside, Monica want carry cat. She can't dey miss that cat. No get cat, I'll say no. No get dog, I'll say no. You know? One day I can still promise and say, no worry. If we finish everything, if we reach Papa's side, we'll get any animal where you say you want, yeah? That's why when we reach here, she not forget, she could remember. Hey, when I promise me, oh. But me, I say no. Go get fish. A fish, I'm She said no, she needs something where she could touch. And me, I don't need cat because cat they turn to wish. Who believe that one? Black people. I hope they go get time to work. She said she go get time. I go. Omana get time. I listened to yesterday. I cried blood. That's where I was calling. Oh, you were calling me. Oh, sorry. I was so busy. And then also today, as yesterday, plenty. Thank you. My son has been asking for dog too because we used to have dog back in Nigeria. Okay. Which one? Una one by Chihuahua? No. Golden. Monica, what's the name of the dog you want?
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Why do people keep forgetting this? I talk about it 24/7 and people still forget the name.
Because we are not into it. Golden Retriever. Then she says she won't get no be Chihuahua. I hate seeing cats with my eyes. You know, so for me, cats they turn to wish after some time. I don't want. And cats, if you don't get them, you want carry and go, but they come back. I don't want lie. So as she they talk, say cats. Now say no, okay, I get dog there. Get some one we know they grow. But she won't get now. She go get Ozubu. She go get all those dogs where they be like Ozubu. Then she says she won't get. Monica, have you really looked for where you can get it? Where? They have it here in Belfast?
Yeah, actually, shockingly, they have a lot of shelters.
Okay. But I don't want any two-handed dog.
No, second-hand dog, no, we're not going to get that. Neither do I, to be honest.
We have to be first owner from baby. That's what I love.
Yeah.
I don't want anyone that see somebody else love before.
Me too. I just want my own.
That is Nigeria. Yeah, it's Europe. But no, I still don't like cat. No. Where they work for Netherlands before, na so cats. I they manage with them. I know they fear. But anytime they try to greet me, I'm always like cold a little bit. But if they get dog, and I don't they touch the head, you know they too bad. You see cat, I just have one thing like you can't they can turn to human being. Bad human being can like now some people are dying They want to see every part of my heart. They want to see front of my heart. They want to see my full car. They want to see everything. Do you know if I have cats? Because they are cats by nation, they can send their spirit to that cat and say, cat, go and video it for me. Dog don't always betray their owners. You know that? Dog are always there for you. Dog is better. Yeah. My daughter want dog so much. Oh. So we will try dog and see how it will go. So Monica was able to win J-Boy for that political challenge. Yes, so. Do you know after that video, two of them, they were fights because of say Monica win J-Boy. He can't they try to do like a big boy. One can they give a weird attitude. Trust that one. Nah. You give Monica attitude, she goes something for your face. The thing still they pain J-Boy till now. Oh God, it's still the pain. Like, why must we listen to Monica? I said, but it's not Monica dog, it's everybody's dog. You can also show love to. He said, like, no, show love to that. I said, no, J-Boy, it's animal. You just have to show love to that dog because it's everybody's dog. That's why I want fresh from me mama to us. I don't want anyone where person don't feel touch. No, I don't want.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Mama, use your earpiece.
Peace. Ni me wale na wa ave do ame doctor ekita. Ni me wa ave le na wa ave do azigo nekita. Eri ya kai. Ave do we passport ne na ya mo travel. Ya golden ibe miamia. Golden Wella.
Golden Retriever.
Oh, Golden Retriever. Yeah. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, darling. So Golden Retriever are very nice.
Is that why you want here? You see that power?
Yeah.
I know it. The one came down for Monica. Talk the experience where the dog gets.
Abi.
I it.
But there is a story behind Monica really having this dog. There is a story behind it. That's why.
There's a story behind it.
Yes.
Where they want to give her the why this? I will explain to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Because I've been listening since.
Okay. There is a story behind it. That's why. I still feel like in my heart I hold her because she was 5 years old when that thing happened. So I will always promise her, don't worry, I will buy any animal of your choice for you. So ever since then, I've not done it. And this time we really have opportunity to do it. And she still remember to us. So like in my heart, it's like we owe her. We must give it to her. Because she was so mature during that time.
You want to greet Auntie Monica Lover? They have to subscribe for you, but they put the notification off.
Oh, thank you, my Lord. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, darling. I do appreciate.
They say, Mommy, we will subscribe to Mommy Monica
Lover.
We will up the notification.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye, love. Bye. Bye, my lady.
Bye, love.
Hello, my darling Tasha. How are you? Mother dog is better. Don't know. Me, I don't know dog. Zubu me is a gebe. Yeah, Mama, what did you say? Is that dog? Oh, Zubu. Oh, Zubu. Yeah, what are you saying? My Nigerian people, should be with the call dog Ozubu. My children go laugh me. Me no me they want me I like her like that. Now so they go laugh like that. I go come hold with them like that. They go tell me the thing 100 times for where. The thing they make them laugh like they want to die. Then they said they can't wait to see me. Mama, you want to wear uniform, but it's not going to be our school. I said, no, it's going to be another adult school, but I will wear like your uniform. Hey, Jesus, oh. But you will never wear that uniform to our school to come and pick us. I said, oh, we come and pick you. Now when the secondary school tell you say that they pick person for secondary school for UK. Come on. You come home by yourself. I come my own by myself. Oh, God. Monica. Yes. Oh, you're going to wear uniform? I will say yes, so I'm going to wear uniform. As soon as I wear my stocking, me too, I go wear my stockings. If beret, they me, I go buy my go complete beret stockings. The original one I will buy from the school. The shoe. Oh! Eze go to school, Monica go to school. Oh, God. When I get all this type of plan, me and your boy go back be na the social media. So I buy ramen la oi. Me your boy tiebe. Me your boy. Kebe do tweki buy. Na Amazon one can't help me now. If some people they order from Amazon, some they order from me. No, can't they too much. You know. No, the other no can they too much for my head like that. People that can order from Amazon, they will just do it from Amazon by themselves. And the turn off for Monica Lover. Not too much, Monica Lovers. Not too much. The thing never kick up if you see line up. Oh, Eta will cry. Me, I just the pity Eta. That's why I don't want to talk to Eta again. Because I know, say, natural things, they way they make them. I get many natural things. If now only the love when my lover they give me, now say they do them. As they put me down, rich people continue to love me, undying love. And the people not just they love me like I love Monica. They'll say I prefer Monica. I choose Monica. I always know Monica was good. I will forever follow the kind of Monica. I like the kind of Monica. Monica is the type that I love. Ew. When person choose you like that, he can't pay. When people choose you like another commodity, not the market, you are the only one. Ew. He can't pay the opponent. Could they cry? Mona still follow me by now. Mona still see me for year. Me a day now they see me. They say lie. Now Monica we like the type of Monica where you introduce to us. The local one, the ingrate one, the bad one, the poor one, the one that help husband, the one that carry husband, the one that is mumu. Now that one we want buy. Hell! Oh, the door. If they love it, they cry. I tell you. You see, that's why I say, my people, no need to talk. We don't already get things where they keep them. The one that say they choose me, they beat them. Una not just they say, no, I they watch Monica. They go say, no, I prefer Monica show to all of them. I will like Monica. No matter how they do and reach, we choose Monica. Monica, you are naturally loved. Monica, I don't know why I love you so much. Monica, everybody in my house love you. Now, Monica show with the war. Ow! Okay? They'll say, Una never hear. Maybe because I never tell them. Nah, devil. People will still say, I love the devil in Monica. Now, this type of devil where they say Monica, now go like. They'll say, they'll still start again. They'll say, I know sure son I don't hear say Monica get big belly. People say, nah, that big belly we like her for. We like that big belly. Go back to and they go they do double follow. That one we like. Do you see? Oh, no, they see that. I make peku in here with now that one we like. Hell, they don't talk tire. Oh, no, they see people is not the finish for. They say now that one they love. Hell. The pain where Monica people give people shot, he finished them. He finished them. Someone told me that she wouldn't expect me to be following Monica, and I was like, I prefer that Araz character that she's. I still love you, your big belly. Not me that they talk so. Hell, Monica AliExpress. Now that time, all my people start to look for something. Monica, look for something for us for AliExpress. We will buy. Hey, Jesus. If they pay, you see, that's why I don't need to use maths. Many things there where they paint already. Where they want die, they want you corrupt. Even see my UK with different. UK with warm house from day one. From day one, I don't need to wait. Say, motor they come, trailer they come, enemy they come. UK with warm house from day one. With blanket, with bed, with jacuzzi. You don't see my bedroom. Don't worry. I go show you my bedroom. It go reach to take the topic here. My bedroom. See now, Monica dog never even come to our family. It's already popular already. A dog guinea. Any dog will come to us now. Enjoyment don't start. Imagine. Me I go come pepper. Papa will come carry on. J boy we say no love and so now go they cry for me I know. Amba go come carry and sit. Before the whole world go they ask of any name where we give to that dog. Where is Nenemi? Where is Nenemi? Where is that dog go come still they join me? Come, let's do live video. Come. Ew! That dog, people go love and pass some people will look like dog. My dog will be loved. In short, my dog, I'm going to open Instagram for my dog. Anything we do. If he go out our video, I'll put on for Instagram. Our popular dog. You see how many followers we get within a month. This our dog, he go popular past human being. Some human being. So human being will cry. Dog will also get love as past them. What are they see now? What are they see? People go there, we go just say, I supercharge this €20. Use it to buy bone for so and so dog. Human being go there. Yeah, me. Nobody go say, take €20. I bet this your long neck. Make sure say me fat for we. You know what to tell you again. Pooh, I get not what say for. Me, I not go talk again. My UK, it too loaded. Things where they naturally beat person. It too loaded. If not be Facebook, you know say since 3 days now. Therefore, don't cry pepper. I don't cook bitter leaf. Facebook not gonna let me show to una. Wait, I still cook that day. Facebook not let me chant now. I newly decorate my bedroom. I be want to do a life when I'm decorating my jacuzzi. Facebook not let me. You not let me do one. My bedroom if forbidden where. Ow! I don't need to talk to my people. I get natural. Even this dog, Monica, most popular dog, is going to be more popular than some human. In short, now my dog will drive some people in task.
Mama.
Yeah. Huh? While I be like bicycle, you know they have to. You know they have to start. And at the same time, if you want travel, you know they have to dash person. Oh, very fifi. Dog with swag. How they now? Dog with swag. God they now. Dog is not popular some anagbo. We are me and you have a sojourner. You know, say na so they cry for my kitchen. Eh? Okay. You know, say na so they cry for my kitchen. Say, Yija. Wetin dey this kitchen na wa pege 2,000 people wa re. For kitchen food wey cook for kitchen go just get 100,000 viewers. Wetin dey happen? Na so my dog go be. My dog. Na so people go say, "Iya, na e don tell when me get dog go, why dog go there oh, big go shout make dem know say you dey here well. If it not be Monica, it can never be like carry that all those dog and task." Hey, doggy money me have it. Oh yeah, tell everybody thank you, Baba. Thank you, bye. That's why I want the dog from my mama. I'll tell him, Mama, I'll help you take care of her. No worry. A dog is not here do. Or English. Or do. Lare, imonye done. Ave Monica imonye bone. Enye do mi agati lare vive. Devini amune niao. Nikwale ni enye name of binine where I be like to give picking where I not can get. Ebuwa. Na go give her. Ebuwa ne kitame lare vive. Lare ebuwa me. You are affected. The dog is you can't you see I wish I show me if not be Facebook will do me. Yesterday was supposed to be my bedroom breakthrough. How? When my own views no nya be am. Have sonne. Oh come. One when name me nai. Awene. Ekita kekan. Then I will break it through ekita. We etero. Here. Ekita ni uno mano. Ye lucky na. Ye do binye. Hena. Ije kia emwere. Ije no bia wo come. A family na no adoto ovi me. O gaya hime. Anya ekita no fe. Ekita no fe ni hi. Monica is a desuwa. The next level is ebuwa. What happened to my Facebook? My Facebook is good.
I don't finish.
You don't ready finish? Okay, you don't babble finish. Hey, Jimmy. Silent little here. Daddy could not go babble. Daddy could you not still see the time where they show us, man? When I show my uncle, honor your Benny, aka Daddy Cool. Gay, every no some of Bono, who popular. Not be since that time they come one that say Iga. Wait it not be just husband, who not get husband for it cannot be like when Monica husband. Don't do any Monica see. You see, that's why in my UK I cannot talk to anybody. I just have natural onions where they press for them. Now they go take by themselves, they cry. Now their friend go come, they ask them, Ogi buena, e Monica, me mate miege Monica gugwego. Oh, we Monica toleto ya mevio. Monica toleto ya mevio. Ekene Monica ni sanji o ya mevio. Hello. Okay, nah. Okay, nah. Thank you so much. Area no. What the cow na say? See, when I start to show, people they do husband show now. When I start to show husband, it turned to show. It turned to show 2 days. 9 husband take from me Saturday and Sunday because of Ghana. People they show children before. You don't see my children. If they can show touch through. The viewers where many people go even they say Monica they cry. Monica de ma me viewers in the amber tota everywhere saga every few no gyo rain they go just break 10,000 they go just break 20,000 don't wash them they go just break video where Amber do for Facebook go check out getting close to 100,000 the one where Amber say they do hand they shop about 131,000 views. All this monkey we go paint face, paint. They go put color. They go put highlight. Go make wah. They go do one. They go still use money booster. You know they reach 20,000. Sumo Amber go just do video 170,000. Don't watch them. My people, I don't need to follow anybody talk anything this year. I'll just show my toilet. Somebody will just cry. My hair safe. People will just cry. If my dog, today is a dog show, my dog, come and give them what I have taught you. If I say this in Bini, oh yeah, you will do like this. Do you hear me? You go see my dog show that day. The viewers go pass human being. We don't do this business for a long time. Hey, Monica natural death. Monica natural death. Now I go give my enemies. I don't get time because I'm amazing. I know I made that damage. They see my hand there. But now my kitchen go kill them. My toilet go kill them. Ha! My driving of car the first day. It go me. Because the music where we go play that day now. And I work by my Zoge bosa uo when no I give me begeni lare o. And you came in loading, boss. He set it salo or loading from one activity to another. I never they show myself for class. So I ever many things, you know. On Monica walk. They cry put 1 week loco. So say they start to the check. UK was say I mean when I the time where you nearly come many days you take a work. That's my work. My UK, any your viral na bata resist. Anyone where resist we not talk, he go die for his ass. You must talk for you to be alive. You will just die if you say me I not go talk on me as but after me wa boah. We are watch the video boom. After me boah. When we are you see my first day of coming to Europe, UK. Enemy don't know the time where they enter with account. What are you saying? Now me or Monica. Yes, salobo. Iga what you talk back. Cause he mame you. Sniper. Oh, God has let no one can cause. That's why the dog that is coming to us is already popular even before it comes. It's a popular dog. It's loved already. Everybody's talking about that dog already. That dog will be loved. You go see now. That dog will get super chatting past human being. That one are for sure. You are seeing now. My dog go robust. past human being wey don dey work since 5 years for this social media wey o tingan kwasa. Hey. You want see my dog that say shake nyash for my enemies. Oh, check nyash in here. Chakuru. But my lovely people, the truth is that there is a story behind Monica getting dog. Okay, so children at home, before you are telling daddy and mommy, give me a dog, we have to have dog. Don't forget, mommy Monica did not just wake up and want to have dog. There is a story behind it, and I still feel guilt that I've not given it to my child. Okay, he was my baby then. So much tears of pain. So I promise, don't worry, I will give you your own dog, give you your own animal. And ever since he will be asking, I will say, don't worry, my daughter. Mama is sick in the marriage. Must la yo arero iku. My hand with baby mwekita travel and then kita eti amen love with joy. Gazingbe kini mana amen love and joy. Let me kina rai. Oh, natural pepper soup. I don't have maybe time. What my me wege na megi murion. Me murion na do ya we gbag you the crest, you the man, you no know your mate karate. No. You know your mate, you know karate. God, just the look. I go beat you, but I not go touch you. You go cry, you cry blood. You cry. Many things for my UK boss. Many. I'm telling you guys. Many things. I cannot even say. They are too much. And they are too sweet because all of them almost ripe. I don't want to overripe. All of them just ripe. Me lock. Me nyoko. Now le coronavirus, they delay me for some kind things like that. Otherwise, another cry for don't happen but na coronavirus. You know? Another if it don't happen. Me bring a year now. Me your back I'm with me ziga. I not go touch them. But they go cry, Saya. I tell you now, they go cry. Because of me, the one way say they cheat for their hand. Quick, now they'll take out their hand. Go they clean the day nyash or the one nyash for year, or go they wait, make it the one sleep, they break for night work. Night work good to night work good for year where you don't do much. See, I don't shock my pounding yam inside water instead of when I laugh. Yes, see what it so talk. Don't buy big dog so that you can travel with them. Yes, no. I don't even know if this golden retriever na big one at the end. No, I don't think so. I think na small dog. Yes, everything will work out better. Yes. If we buy small dog before you go big, we go don't still go far. Don't forget, Ambrosia is 16. Is Ambrosia 16? You have a fiancé? No, Ambrosia is 15. Ambrosia is 15. 15. Okay. Ambrosia is 15. Now, remaining 3 years to be adult. Abi? Okay. So, Monica is 11. Monica still there with us still. Okay. So, now till 3 years safe where the dog go don't grow well. You know, she say, we all not going to pack each other go holiday again. No. We're not going to pack each other go holiday like that again. Ambrosia don't grow enough to dey get holiday with her friends, especially now where we relocate. Now that thing now still life for relocation. It go make your children get international bond friends. They are bold. You know, Abrosia might say, I want to go holiday with my friends. You understand? And we don't have to go. You see, so we cannot be sharing the holidays that almost to Mioma Sekitaina. When Abrosia go home, come back, she will be home for the rest of us to go. J-Boy don't want us to be going with he don't want us to go. He don't want to go with us to holiday like that again when he become 15. You see? Then we only have Monica. Then anytime we want to go holiday like that, we have 2 people to share who is holding the dog. So that one don't already still arrange for them. So before Monica will go turn to her dog, pata. The dog don't tell where Agrippa even him and eh? Monica ama unimene kakabo. So that's how we plan it. Call my Monica. I don't register since before you no dragon with me. Okay now, what happen? And you can't wait for her to be adult. I'm telling you, I've been enough by. I no can remember. She's 15, going to 16. You know, when she becomes sweet 16, she might not like to be going to holiday with us like that. She might like to be going to all this holiday with her friends. Either they are going to Netherlands or those ones are coming here to go meeting somewhere else. Don't forget this. If you still in UK, many places you can go for holiday. If I'm in Belfast here, I can decide to go to Wales for holiday. Still the same UK, but another place entirely. I can decide to go to Scotland for holiday. I can decide to go to England. I can decide to go to my neighbor here, Ireland. I can decide to go to my neighbor, Ireland. They have a lot of interesting places there also. You see, so for sure, or una carry the dog go do hotel. That one still there. But if we also can share like this, like family, then the dog don't also have to go to hotel. He go just stay with who they ask. Go take care of her. Like that. Now where the dog go still small, he go quickly enjoy holiday with us. Anywhere we go, we carry and follow body. Until he don't they grow. As he small, we'll carry and follow body. If they come, we'll still carry and come back. Or in Yengbe, Ekitana in Redo enjoy me. In Redo me live there. He live there, Marianne. And the whole world is waiting for that dog to show love to that dog. Hey! Ordinary human being go cry. They love me again. All of them don't run live there. My dog now don't get back character. So people with bad character, people go run live there. Bye. You can also travel with dog. That's what I'm saying. Una carry dog go. You know? That's what I'm saying. We can actually travel with the dog. Except when the dog don't big now, I don't go like to travel with her. But if it just did that small baby, I would like to really travel with the dog to a special place. Alright, Tommy. The dog is going to be more popular. The dog will they give people joy than human being. I'm telling you. The dog will make people get joy than some human being where person go wash fini belle go they worry you. God forbid. May I not throw to a rejected element. May I not turn to poison. We can't wait. Oh, beautiful everyone. It's coming. Good evening, my lady Stella. Nika, please, can you name the dog? No, anything like that, never. It be like Amber fish. You know Amber will be having fish. Amber will be having fish too in her own room. Amber needs the aquarium in her room. She will get it too. You understand? See what Amber go choose. Because we not the disturb person. So he still choose waiting not the disturb person. Amber say in one God if you know God forbid. I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. Amber say, yeah. Why? What is just fish? I said no. I don't need all those type of any type of nail like that. I don't need them in this house. God forbid. People there outside, they look for who they want to send message, make they come bring me. You don't know that people don't hear my information again. Now they make them, they do. If you can't put golden fish for here now, all these street fish where they social media, they call them, they send them message. If you go get fish, get another one. If Papa want to talk, you go get tilapia. So that if it big, we go shopping. Now, I tilapia will one now. Anything connection with tilapia. Like Melusa did there. All this bush meat fish we make he did there. Yesterday we go shop. My husband see what do they call it? Do no be what all those big dry fish. You say, see this baby dry fish, oh, me I buy since where I eat tilapia or I eat tilapia or now. Anything near Gion, where only a daughter is tilapia where la listed to a memo. Monica Mariona whooper, no, where no gift tilapia. I'm a tilapia, you're worried. A tilapia la wana. Anything go deep fish, I rather get a bad fish, young fish. A water fish than to have good. I don't need it. He said, oh mama, golden fish is very beautiful when it's in the dark. You know, that's why I don't want dark. Anything that dwell in the dark, anything that have power in the dark, I reject them. God forbid. If golden fish cannot find when there is light, only when there is dark, igualo. Tilapia fish, igualo. If you like, they say tilapia fish 3 for £1. I don't go eat. I don't want to make them send the message to me. No tilapia, no golden fish. For this, I say you want carry in a say. Now everything we find, person they buy for road. They make they buy the women put for us. So when they are they bend, they depress. When man go walk all his life, and you know they see what he use and do. Now because of what he find, I may take carry ugogo na ugogo. Women that cannot boast of anything, your husband cannot boast of anything. He don't do. Igualo la. Go buy Nemo fish or Dory. I love Dory because Dory is a very kind, nice. According to what he asked for that film, Dory was kind. She's very nice. She's very selfless. Then she was a little bit deaf. Abi, I think that's why they call her, you know, they quit here. But he can't teach them how to call her. So if you want call me Dory. If you call her like that, Dory go here. So I can like Dory because if I see, oh, this is Dory, I can talk to that Dory like, yeah. Well, you can buy Nemo. Nemo is also a small, adventurous boy where be say he gets what he wants. I like you see Goldie. I don't do same way in Milan. Reject it. My video won't finish. I will be back. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Idiot tilapia, idiot Goldie. I mean, the most of a darkness. God forbid. I reject them. We will buy Nemo and Dory. They are good. Those were good. Well, I be like Dangote blanket.